Hi, and welcome back to another Blender uh, Generate Modifiers series videos. Um, so this time we're going to go over Bevel. Bevel just literally adds some beveling. So yeah, let's select this object. We're going to add the Bevel modifier here, and we can do two things. It can be either edges or vertices. So if we select edges, it's going to be on the edges of this object. If we select vertices, it's going to be on the vertices. So if we're in vertice selection right now, it's that little point right here on the square. So go to edit mode, and it's this thing right here, just the same as the edges right here. I know some people it's really confusing, so that's why I'm saying it. All right, on edges we have these options: the width type, so def, percent, and absolute value. So let's go with offset. It just increases that much, but we can get like this really cool cube-like thing, but it's triangles and stuff. And if we increase the segments, we can just get this weird shape, but it's pretty awesome. Let's see, angles. It's not too important, I guess. That's fine for now. Let's see. We're gonna go with width. So it's limited like that. All right. Let's go with def. Oh, that's weird. So with def, it just increases the depth from that vertice down here, and this is the max that it can go. And then we can just do extra segments there. Let's go with percent. So again, it's 0 to 1. It's almost like def. Cool. And then absolute. So let's see. Put 0 here, and then just increases. I guess it's really only 0 to 1, and the reason it stops at 1 is because this cube's length and width is 1. So I guess if we increase it to like 2.6, we can figure out the actual width of this object, which is 2.6. And I guess we can also do that here. So tool, view, item. I guess I'm not seeing the properties for this object. That's weird. All right, let's move on from that. So we messed around with the width types, and it's almost the same here in the edge type, but instead the increase here, like let's say offset, we create a curved a cubed, what do you call it, a curved cube or a sphere. Same thing with width, we just create something like that. Def, same thing. And then let's see if we decrease the segments here. But this is also a quick way to what do you call it? Make a sphere out of a cube with the bevel. Let's go with percent, and again, percent is a little different. And so we can make really fast crystal with percent on edges here. So take note of that because that might help you out. We inadvertently we could just like create a cube and then put it at an angle like this, but this is a lot easier and faster. Let's see, then increase it. Oh, let's see, maybe the width. Okay, so it's dependent on these segments too. So any one of these could work. Let's see, in vertices. Now, yeah, so vertices and edges. If we go all the way down or to the highest point, if we have one segment, we either create a triangle in wet edges or a pixel, whatever this is. All right. Let's keep on messing around. Let's go to edges. We're going to increase the segments, decrease. Let's go to offset here. Okay. That. Let's see if the profile, change the profile would do anything. Yeah. It changes the shape of the edges here. So that is very interesting. So nice. All right. Reset curve, right? So this will, it just shows this. So let's go up a little bit and you'll see it curve like that, which is the curve right here too. All right. So that, let's do super ellipse. So shape. Oh, nice. That might be useful for a lot of different things, but pretty cool. All right. Shape. So our edges here can be cubed or stagnated more. All right, and let's see what happens in vertices. So, oh, nice. Even go. Create a little square in here. Oh, that's cool. So let's see, increase the segments or decrease them. It literally just creates a square with more than one. Nice. All right. So there's new things to find out, and let's go with geometry, clamp overlay. Guess not. Custom. And then shading, hardened normals. I have no idea how to do this, so we're gonna leave these two alone, and later on, when I figure this out, I'll show you guys. But yeah, at least we learned a little bit about the vertices and edges and how to change the profile here for this and how to reset the curve. So I hope that helps. And yeah, this is just a little bit more about the bevel option. And I guess before okay, let's see, let's add another bevel. So yeah, we can add a bevel to the bevel, and let's see if we can add another bevel to the bevel. Oh wow, we added another bevel to the bevel to the bevel. So yeah, that's something to take note of when you're working with the array modifiers. You can even do things like this too. So yeah, hope that helps, and let's move on to the next modifier. Thanks for listening.